Food safety. Actions and activities related to reducing exposure of food to naturally occurring, unintentional hazards, such as foodborne pathogens or other naturally occurring contaminants. Food security. A situation that exists when all people, at all times, have physical, social, and economic access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food that meets their dietary needs and food preferences for an active and healthy life. Based on this definition, 4 food security dimensions can be identified: food availability, economic and physical access to food, food utilization, and stability over time.